If you've accidentally deleted your chats in ChatGPT and you're trying to get them back, this video will show you exactly what you can and cannot recover. First, let's clear something important. Unlike some apps, ChatGPT does not have a built-in trash or recently deleted folder where your chats are stored after deletion. So once you delete a chat manually, it is usually permanently removed. But don't worry, there are still a few things you can check before giving up. Now, the first thing you should do is open the ChatGPT app on your phone or go to the website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the same account where your chats were originally saved. Sometimes people switch accounts without realizing it, and their chats appear missing. Next, look at your chat history on the left-hand side or inside the menu. Scroll through carefully, because sometimes chats are not deleted, they're just harder to find. If you still don't see your chats, the next option is to check if you have any exported data. To do this, tap on your profile icon, then go to Settings, and then look for Data Controls. Here you might find an option to export your data. If you previously requested an export, you can download your data and check if your chats are saved there. Now, another important tip. If you cleared all chats using the Delete All Chats option, those chats are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. So going forward, if you have important chats, it's always a good idea to copy them, save screenshots, or export your data regularly to avoid losing anything important. And that's basically it. Those are all the possible ways to try and recover your deleted ChatGPT chats. That's how easy it is. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more useful tools and apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.